Morning. Hello.
Indy, you have to say good morning to the vlog.
Indy, you gotta go bang.
I'm not personally awake enough for this. I need coffee. I think this seal's dead. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. Jen and I are just chilling. Just woke up, made some coffee, had some brekkie, played with the dogs for a while, and now I am gonna get into cleaning this big sucker. But first, I wanna show you guys something really cool that I just set up yesterday, which I'm very excited for. Something new that I'm gonna be trying out, something new that I think you guys will be pretty excited for, hopefully. Welcome to my dun dun dun. This, I think the dog heard me. So, this, let me put that down. This is my new little setup I've got going. I'm gonna be doing some streaming in here, where we're gonna talk a bit of crap about, you know, builds, plans, all that good stuff. I've got some cheeky seats, which we're gonna be test fitting those today, actually. But, yep. So yeah, we've got my setup here. I've got my Mac there, my monitor there, and I went out and I splurged a little bit, and I got one of these bad boys. And so I've been mucking around with that for a while. They are super good, and I also got this little bad boy, which you like can't see at all. But yeah, they are like super high quality. There was like this mad deal going at EB Games, so just splurged a little bit and went and got that stuff. So yeah, I've got like my new little streaming setup. So up until right now, I hadn't really had anything to film somewhere that wasn't, you know, anywhere like outside. Like this is now a dedicated spot, you know, for streaming and filming, and I feel like it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna be doing one stream a week, and we're gonna be hopefully talking to some other automotive YouTubers along the way, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. But so today, I've just gotta quickly give that fish tank a little cleany clean, and then we are going to test fit my new Bride Lomaxes, which came in, I think, on Wednesday. So we're gonna do that. And we're also going to try and test fit. Now, I have a friend with a fastback, and he's been having a lot of trouble trying to fit a roll bar under his fastback, and he's tried like 4 different brands. Now, I think mine's the only one he hasn't tried. So today, we're gonna rip the seats out, rip the carpet out. I don't know if I'll properly install the roll bar, but I will sit it there and just kinda, you know, I'm just gonna put the fastback on and see if it actually fits, because I'm gonna be pretty devastated if it doesn't fit, because that means I'm gonna have to get a custom one. But we're gonna see if the roll bar fits, we're gonna test fit the seats, and it's gonna be a good day, so come along. And just quickly guys, if you do enjoy the videos that I make, please drop a like, smash the like button, and subscribe. What are you waiting for? All right, let's get into the day. God, there's so much crap in this car. All right, so I'm gonna try and get all of this stuff out before we can even think about test fitting these seats, so. All right, so now that we've got everything and all the junk out of my car, we're gonna do a cheeky and remove these old seats. And then I've got some really special rails from America that we're gonna try and fit to my new seats, and hopefully they look mint and they sit really nicely. So let's do that. These are the seat rails that I've gotten for the Turbo MX5. These are extremely high rated / expensive seat rails that I picked up like literally a year ago. Before I even bought this car, I bought these rails because they came up for a really good price, and I knew that someday I would be needing them for this build. So I made the decision to buy them then. The rails that we will be using in this car are Garage Star side mount low rails. As you can see, they look pretty insane.
and they allow you to mount like pretty much any aftermarket seat to them, and pretty much as low as you want to go, as far forward as you want to go. And I think these seat rails are the only option that allows you to go like slam to the floor without doing any other modifications. So hopefully they fit. Alrighty, so here's where we're at. Right now we have just the front 2 bolts in. Obviously, as you can see, I cannot get to the rear ones like at all, because with these seats and these rails, you actually have to mount the rails first and then slide the seat in and kind of like wreck your fingers trying to do them up over there. But let's take that out, jump in. Oh man, put this bad boy on. This is freaking awesome, man. I've never had a set of brides. I've only ever run Sparkos. So to be sitting in a pair of brides feels pretty special, and they're so much comfier than Sparkos. All right, so I think I might, on the passenger side, try and bolt the rails down, and then I'll bring the seat over and try and fit it, if I can. I don't know. These rails have so many adjustments and so many different up, down, left to right movements that you can actually do. So it's gonna take me a while to actually figure out like the sweet spot. I've just mounted it randomly on the driver's seat and it's not as far back as I want it to be. So I have to tinker with that quite a bit. Worst comes to worst, I do have another set of seat rails that I could use with this seat, but I'm not sure if that will then work with the roll bar and all of that good stuff. So let's see how we go. So I just kind of put the seat on the bench here, just trying to figure out like how many different patterns I could pretty much do with all these bloody holes. But I think I'm gonna take this out and move it up to like that one, and then the seat should sit, you know, kind of on an angle, and then it will, you know, appear like the seat is actually further back in the seat. I mean in the car, because it'll be angled. So I'm gonna undo that and try and move it up to there. All right, so now that sits, as you can see, on a way madder angle, and it's like actually tilted that way, so, oh, yeah. I sit like way further back, but I still think, if I chuck the steering wheel on, oh no, that's actually quite a lot of room. I think in the final position, I'll run it on the 3rd one down, maybe. I think that's as far back as I'll go, and then I'll run it on the 3rd one down. And you can see, running it like that, so running it like this, the bolster, actually fairly confident it would clear the door. Yeah, look at that. Doesn't even touch the door. So I'm fully in, the seat is fully in, and I sit like on this mad angle. This is awesome. It actually makes me like, I sit so low and like I'm actually so far like away from the pedals. Look how much room I have. Like I'm like 6'3", and I can like fully extend my foot. So maybe I can come like a click forward. I'll come like a click forward, or maybe 2 clicks forward, and then 1 click down, and I'll be like cheering. Awesome, 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 awesome. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do today is I'm just gonna start tearing crap apart, and we're gonna get this horrible style bar out, and we're gonna test it proper roll bar and see if it fits under my fastback. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be very sad. So let's hope for the best. Alrighty, so I've just gotten to taking these out. Look at that! They're pop riveted in. Look at this. Oh. Right, you roll over. You are gone, skis. Like, ready? Stick that under there. Quality. So this is the big moment. I've just set the roll bar down in the car, and now we're gonna go grab the fastback and sit it on top.
Yes! Yes! It fits. 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 Oh boy! Oh, look at that! It fits. Oh my god! Right, that's on properly, right? Yep, that's on properly. Oh boy, there's a finger the whole way along it. It fits. It fits, it fits, it fits. It fits. Oh my god. Yes! Oh, thank goodness. I have like literally like a couple centimeters, but I reckon that might just be enough. Like there is room, like it's not touching right now. And the roll bar is not bolted down, so it should go down a bit lower and it should work. Boom. Oh man. Holy crap, you have no idea how happy that makes me. That roll bar was expensive, my boy, to not use it, and it fits. Awesome. Okay. Even if it does rub like a little bit, that's fine. It can rub a little bit, it just can't rub like a lot of it. You know what I mean? So, happy boy. Alrighty guys, so it's just starting to look pretty eerie outside. There is a lot of rain on the radar. It is about to like bucket down, I'm pretty sure. So just before it does that, we're gonna have a quick look. I picked up a 3M wrap book. So let's look at some potential colors for the Turbo Mx5. So we got the full book here. Show you. Boom. That's a lot of wraps, man. That's a lot of wraps. So we're gonna have a look through them and see what could potentially be a contender. That's pretty cool. It's that satin flip psychedelic. Yeah, I'm not, see with this build, I'm not sure, like, I want it to be the most unique, like awesomest build that I can possibly get it, but I also want it to look sick, and I want kind of both generations to be able to look at this car. I'm talking people, you know, under 50 and over 50 to all look at it and go, wow, like, look at that. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna go with some like crazy color. That's pretty cool. You can see that in the light. There are so many colors that it could be. So what's that? That's gloss flip deep space. We have some cool reds. Gloss hot fire red, flame red, nah. Definitely not going orange. Alright, here's where the blues start. Don't really like that. That's kind of cool. That's hectic. There are so many colors, so many colors. Alright guys, so it's getting really windy and it's just about to bucket down, but I think that'll end it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure you tune into the next one, and remember, I am going to be starting to stream once a week, so that is going to be sick. Tune in for that. That's going to be lots of fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Carl out.